Want to sell online but don't know how to start? Try SaleYee Dropshipping Platform. With SaleYee, you can easily run your own business without upfront costs. No monthly fee, no MOQ limit, no inventory cost. Just focus on your marketing and sales and we'll handle the rest. Founded in China, SaleYee was built by a group of pioneers with over a decade-long experience in the e-commerce industry.
Since 2007, we've been doing the cross-border e-commerce business, and with the rapid growth of our online business, we realized that it would be more meaningful to help people to start their online business. That's why we created SaleYee.
By integrating a great wealth of supply chain resources, we provide a complete dropshipping solution, from product research, sourcing, order fulfillment to after-sales. SaleYee offers over 30,000 strictly selected products in 26 categories, plus over 1,000 new arrivals per month. With our big data product recommendations and the efficient automation system, you can easily select, list, and sell the winning items on various marketplaces such as Amazon, Shopify, etc. All the products are available in our global warehouses. In the near future, we'll open more warehouses and expand into many other countries. After syncing your customers' orders with us, SaleYee will take care of the delivery for free. Items can be dispatched within 48 hours from our local warehouses and delivered to your customer's doorstep within 2 to 8 days. Keeping customer satisfaction in mind, our one-on-one account manager and customer support team will help you all the time, saving you from the hustle of dealing with multiple suppliers. Up to now, over 20,000 suppliers and retailers worldwide have built a great partnership with us.
SaleYee has helped me to establish my own online business at low risks, and now I'm getting more and more happy customers.
Luckily, I found SaleYee. I was able to simultaneously expand my business into home and garden, and I saw a profit increase in my sporting goods section.
Customer success is all we care about. We will keep innovating to provide a more efficient solution for global e-commerce. With SaleYee, sell easily, earn globally.